Hey Crown Town Compost fam, this is Charlie here. I wanted to send you a quick video on some awesome upgrades and changes to your compost subscription and process. You'll be delivered this brand new 24-gallon bin that we've ordered. This is an awesome process that we have piloted for about a year now to great success, so now we're opening it up to all of you guys. Think of it like your household trash. So you will keep your bucket if you want to, that you've always used. Use that to the same process that you've always done. Once it gets 3/4 of the way full, then we would like for you to take that bag out of the bucket, preferably keeping it bagged up and then dropping it into your bin. If you would like to dump it, that's totally fine. Whatever process works best for you, but we found that the double bag system definitely works better. Each pickup day, which will be every other week, we will leave you more of the bags that fit into your bucket. So after that, obviously, just take it, reline the bucket, you're off and rolling just like your household trash system. On your pickup day, you'll still get your text reminder just like you always have. Not before or the early morning of your pickup day. Just take this outdoor 24-gallon bin, whether you have it stored in your garage, outside your house, wherever's convenient for you, like your city trash system. Come out, get it. You'll roll it out to the sidewalk, just like your normal trash. Just along the curb, like you put your trash normally. We will come through, we'll pick it up, we'll dump it, we will rebag the 24-gallon bin, leave you the liners for the small bucket. When you come home from work, wherever in the evening, wheel it back in, you're off and rolling. Let us know if you have any questions. We look forward to this new process with you. Thanks so much for partnering with us.